welcome to another video. Today we are going to color cat. We are going to make it a rainbow cat. So let's begin coloring. First we'll color with red. Green, blue, indigo, violet, ta-da! Our rainbow cat is done. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe my channel and press on the like button. Bye bye. See you in our next video.